Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Mars in Pisces. And people with Mars in Pisces often will develop a strong sense of intuition and also have a very strong imagination. They can also be really great when they're on their feet because Pisces is related to feet. They can be great at running, dancing, often like to take long walks or do yoga. And they're also considered to be a peaceful warrior. They can enjoy things like martial arts, and they also just really can love things related to spirituality, and they can also be very private and less connected with people. They can be very involved in their work, and they'll be attracted to people who like to meditate, do yoga, eat healthy, and they also like to take relationships slow and can sometimes have a hard time being more intimate in relationships. And they're attracted to people that are more creative and, as I mentioned earlier, a little bit more meditative and a spiritual aspect. And that's my analysis of Mars in Pisces.